Hi guys, as you can see, the panel of the car in a bad state. It's covered in dust. For the start, I wiped everything with a damp cloth several times. After I have cleaned everything and everything looks clean, I switched to special cleaners for the front console of the car. But before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. I always try to clean the car so that's not completely poisoned. I have one friend who always has cleanliness and shine in the car. Never saw his car dirty or saved. He himself says that he doesn't wash the car, he doesn't drive it. It gives shine, cleanliness, and aroma to the interior, and also protects the front panel from drying out, protect from the sun. Friends must be cleaned everywhere, even where it's difficult to get there. For example, on air duct, both from the front and from the back. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.